Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys what the wolf does in Grow a Garden. So basically its passive traits is that it occasionally howls, mutating some nearby fruit into moonlight and turns the player into a werewolf for a short duration, granting bonus movement speed and jump height. Okay, that's cool. Its price is at 80 candy corns and it is a legendary pet. I think I want to place it in my let's just pick up something, the bone dog maybe. I want to place it in my garden. But yeah, that's pretty much it really. I think you can get it from just the Halloween market, but yeah, that is what that's what the wolf does in Grow a Garden. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click that thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.